Cinque Terre, a coastal paradise in Italy. Nestled along the rugged coastline of northwestern Italy, Cinque Terre, meaning five lands in Italian, is a string of 5 enchanting villages that have captivated travelers for centuries. This picturesque region, situated in the Liguria region, boasts a harmonious blend of colorful cliffside villages, dramatic coastal scenery, and terraced vineyards clinging to the steep slopes. Monterosso al Mare, the pearl of the Cinque Terre. Monterosso al Mare, the largest and most bustling of the Cinque Terre villages, exudes a vibrant and welcoming atmosphere. Explore the labyrinthine alleyways lined with pastel-colored houses, each adorned with unique architectural details. Discover hidden piazzas, quaint boutiques, and charming cafes offering delectable treats and refreshments. At the heart of Monterosso al Mare lies a long sandy beach, a haven for sunseekers and beach enthusiasts. Take a refreshing dip in the crystal-clear waters of the Mediterranean Sea. Soak up the sun's warmth on the pristine shores, or indulge in a variety of water sports. Ascend to the imposing remains of the Genoese castle, a testament to the village's rich history. From the castle's vantage point, enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of the coastline, the neighboring villages, and the vast expanse of the Mediterranean Sea. Vernazza, a picturesque village with a hidden gem. Vernazza, known for its picturesque harbor and charming fishing community, is a photographer's paradise. Wander through the narrow, winding streets, adorned with vibrant bougainvillea and cascading greenery. Admire the colorful houses that tumble down to the sea, creating a mesmerizing tapestry of hues. Discover the hidden gem of Vernazza, the Grotta di Vernazza, a secret cave accessible by swimming or boat. Experience the thrill of reaching this secluded haven, where you can swim in a tranquil pool and witness the wonders of the underwater world. Cornelia, a village with panoramic views. Perched atop a cliff overlooking the sea, Cornelia offers a unique perspective of the Cinque Terre coastline. Hike the scenic trail from Vernazza, or take the shuttle bus to reach this charming village. Explore the narrow lanes, each lined with unique architectural gems, including the Church of San Pietro, a testament to the village's rich history. Relax at a terrace cafe, savoring delicious local delicacies, while soaking in the mesmerizing panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Manarola, a village with a dramatic setting. Manarola, with its colorful houses clinging precariously to the steep cliffs, is a village that will leave you in awe. Stroll along the Via dell'Amore, a romantic footpath connecting Manarola to Rio Maggiore, and immerse yourself in the enchanting atmosphere. Indulge in the local delicacy, the Cinque, a sweet dessert wine made from dried grapes, a unique specialty of the region. Take a boat trip to admire the village from the sea, gaining a different perspective of its dramatic setting and colorful architecture. Rio Maggiore, a village with a vibrant harbor. Rio Maggiore, the southernmost village of the Cinque Terre, is known for its vibrant harbor and charming fishing boats. Explore the narrow, winding streets, lined with colorful houses and lively shops. Visit the Church of San Giovanni Battista, an architectural masterpiece with a rich history. Soak up the lively atmosphere of the harbor, where local fishermen unload their fresh catches and the scent of the sea fills the air. Take a refreshing dip in the crystal-clear waters or simply relax on the beach, enjoying the tranquility of the Cinque Terre's southernmost gem. Cinque Terre National Park, a haven for nature lovers. Cinque Terre is not just about charming villages, it's also a paradise for nature lovers. The Cinque Terre National Park, established in 1999, protects the region's stunning coastline, lush vineyards, and diverse wildlife. Hike through the scenic trails, winding through olive groves, vineyards, and fragrant Mediterranean flora. Explore the underwater world while snorkeling or diving, encountering a vibrant array of marine life. Simply relax and enjoy the breathtaking natural beauty that surrounds you, soaking in the tranquility of this protected haven. Exploring the Cinque Terre by train or boat. One of the most scenic ways to explore the Cinque Terre is by train. The railway line, hugging the coastline, offers breathtaking views of the villages and the sea. Take a leisurely train journey, hopping on and off at each village to discover its unique charm. Alternatively, embark on a boat trip along the coast, enjoying a different perspective of the villages and the rugged shoreline. Sail past colorful houses cascading down to the sea, admire the dramatic cliffs plunging into the turquoise waters, and experience the Cinque Terre from a different vantage point.